Okay, hi. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make an adapter that will make an Aquatap easy to use on any type of pole. This particular one is for a Brodex pole. We make this with pouring plastic. What actually happens is the adapter screws onto the top of the Aquatap and their gooseneck screws into the top. Goes in quite a long way, but we'll get there eventually. It's got to be nice and tight so you've got a solid fitting in there. What we've actually got is the hole in the Aquatap. The gooseneck goes straight in there, so it gives it a nice solid connection. That's one adapter that we make with pouring plastic. I have another adapter here that goes on the top of the pole fitting. Goes on top of the pole fitting. What actually happens is the Aquatap screws into the top of the fitting. The adapter fits onto the top there, and that allows you to use a gardener's carbon gooseneck in there, held on with a clamp, or it can be glued in. The one I'm going to make just now is this one here, and here is a silicone mould that allows me to make that. Three parts: silicone, insert, which gives me the hole in the middle, and the wee plastic part that just keeps the pin central when the plastic's hardening. It just keeps it central inside the plastic. So what we have is two pots, equal amounts of part A and part B. A little bit of black colouring. There's a bit of black colouring in there already, but it needs just a touch more. Black colouring. And pour part B into part A. And this stir up. And you can work with this for about 2 minutes before it hardens, but what you want to do is pour it maybe after 1 minute. You get a good stir up. A bit of lubricant on the pin there helps it come out a bit easier. Demoulding, put in the plastic part as well. Use this just to hold it because the pin's obviously gone down through the bottom of that. Just pop that on there. Good stir up. parts have got to be blended well. Insert popped in there, and then we pour the plastic. All the way to the top. Squeeze in case it's got any air bubbles, and then we're putting the pin in, the plastic over the pin until it pops in there. And we just leave it to set. Okay, that's 30 minutes, roughly 30 minutes that we've had for the plastic to set nice and hard. So now what we're going to do is demould it. Now it's handy having this protruding out the bottom because we can use that to push, and the whole part pushes out the top. So all we do is just loosen it off at the top first, and then we press hard on the silicone. And the part pops at the top there. Now what we're left with is the actual part with the pin going through the middle, bit of plastic on the top there, so all we need to do is take that off. And to take it off, what we do is we've got the vice jaws, pop that up against the vice jaws and give us a sharp hit with a hammer. So I'm just going to go and do that now. I've just pushed the part down the metal bit, and that just slides out of there. And what we're left with is a bit of plastic on the top. That just pops off. And then what we're left with here is just a bit of excess plastic. We can either, what I do is I put it on the lathe, just turn the lathe with the cutting tool, just finish it off nicely, or the plastic's still quite soft. What I can do is I can just cut it with a Stanley blade. Get a nice square top. Hole up middle. Like I say, it's still a bit soft, but that was set rock hard. That'll end up like this, really solid part. You could probably run over that with a car and it wouldn't break it. So there's the part that just sits there and hardens up until it's ready to be sent out with an Aquatap. And what we can do with that now is screw it into any female thread that needs to be screwed into.